Here's a short video showing how to create groups for curtain walls and why you might actually want and need to do this for your projects. So first thing, let's go ahead and create a curtain wall, or in this case, curtain wall of a storefront system. Okay. As you can see, curtain walls can actually do the same thing as windows, embed into your walls, cutting your walls and so forth. You can copy them around, but if you wanted to modify them in any way, you actually have to do it one at a time. So let me show you what I mean by that. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to put in another mullion. So go to curtain grid. There we go, curtain grid. I place the curtain grid in, but because I have to do it the curtain wall twice, so thereby I have to do it double work. If I had that same size multiple times, I'd have to do it multiple times. So what I want to do, instead of actually doing it, I'm going to go ahead and make this out of group. So I'm just going to call it CW for curtain wall. Okay. So now it's a group, I can copy it around as well and edit it. So let me get rid of the other curtain wall and let me go ahead and insert, copy this group over. I'm going to go ahead and do it twice, just give you the idea what I'm talking about. So I'm going to edit this, edit the group. Let's say I want to make it just 6 inches bigger. Okay, so now I finish my group. Or let's go ahead and add another mullion in there too, just make it somewhat different. Okay, so now I finish the group and it all happens on both of those two others. Make it down, say, well, you can do that same thing with Windows. Yeah, more programming and so forth. A couple of other things, reasons why. So I can flop, just like Windows, I can actually change the type by changing the group. As you can see. Okay, but one of the issues with curtain walls that with groups is a joining issue. So let's go, I'm going to go ahead and add this curtain wall group in this location. As you can see, this curtain wall is a 6-foot length. Well, I'm going to put the same one here, this other location over here. There we go. But because the ends of this wall allow joining to the adjacent walls, the curtain wall is actually a different size. So it doesn't help me for when I'm trying to be consistent with my stuff. So I'm going to edit this one. I'm going to disallow these joins, so thereby it doesn't actually do what it just did a few minutes ago, or seconds. As you can see now, there's a break because the group is, that curtain wall is the size it's supposed to be. Okay, but one thing I tend to do when I do this is go ahead and add this type, so I'm going to go ahead and duplicate it. Just make it a 2. And then I'm going to edit this group. It makes it shorter. Now I have 2 groups of the same thing. So let's document this. Best way to do this is have another view. I'm just going to do an elevation view that I've already had set up. So copy this over. This is one of the benefits over Windows using curtain walls, is that I can document it a little bit quicker. So I've got these views already set up. and these groups, I should say, are already set up, I can then select them and attach the detail group. And I'm going to go ahead, I've already got these detail groups already set up, so I'm going to do some dimensions and some tags. As you can see, the tags are already there, so I can just switch it out. Again, on this one, I'm going to do that. But as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and change this type, and the dimensions and all that were there as well. And see, it's so much easier. And if I want to edit this, I tend to edit my current walls in Elevation anyway. So I can just edit this, delete this one grid line, and it affects all the other versions of this group throughout the model. Kind of like Windows, but I got my documentation done a lot quicker. So anyway, I hope this helps you in your videos. I hope this helps you in your work. Thank you.